Hey Heathens and Demons, it's your favorite guys, the Supreme Guys, and today I'm doing a makeup inspired look by Juice WRLD's latest album, Legends Never Die. I'm starting off with primer, and I'm using Hard Candy Smoothing Primer Balm. Here I'm using Milani's Conceal Perfect All-in-One Correcting Kit. I'm using peach under the eyes and yellow around the mouth. And then I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in 330. I prefer to use two different foundations. The first one I'm using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation in Golden 13. And now I'm filling in my brows with XX Revolution Faux Brow in the shade Deep Brown. And now I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 330. Next, going in with LA Girl's Pro Conceal in Cool Tan to clean up the brows. And now I'm setting the face, most likely the under eye area, to catch fallout. And I'm using Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana, and I like to mix it with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Honey. I'm sorry, my camera cut off, but in this part of the video, I did prime my eyes using Fenty Beauty's Amplifying Eye Primer. And for the transition shade, I used Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker Bronzer in shade Beige and Gal. Also lightly blended out the transition shade. I went in my Fenty Beauty's Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and I used the shade Quicksand. I carefully cut the crease with e.l.f.'s Camo Concealer in the shade White. In the cut crease area, leaving space in the middle, I use LA Girl's Eye Luxe Mesmerizing Glamorize Quad palette. I think it's a quad palette. And I used a lavender shade. There's no names in the palette, so we're going with the lavender shade. It's okay to go back with your white concealer and fix the middle part. I have a face paint palette from a few Halloweens back that I'm using as a base on my eye. To set the paint area, I'm going in my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and I'm setting it with the shade Mars on Fire. In the brow area, I'm taking Mimosa, Sunrise, and Trophy Wife, going back and forth, but most likely Trophy Wife to top it off to make a sunset golden hour type effect. In this part of the video, I'm doing a faux freckle effect. I'm using 2 Black Raisins Perfect Tone Matte Lip Creams. I'm using Sexy Sarin and Rogue Red. And next for my freckles, I'm taking NYX Epic Wear Liner in brown. Going back with my Fenty bronzer, I'll be lightly contouring my nose. Next, I'll be taking e.l.f.'s Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer in Bronze Peach. Going back in my Halloween face paint palette, I'm going to take a gold shade and make gold freckles as stars, as my freckles as well, and setting it with Trophy Wife. Now going back and forth with Mimosa Sunrise and Trophy Wife on my highlight area for the full sunset effect. Now going back in with my bronzer, I'm going to contour a bit. In this part of the video, I got the choker, I think off of Amazon, and it kind of reminds me of Juice's vest that he wore. I bought a bunch of butterfly magnets off of Amazon and hot glued bobby pins to represent the butterflies on the album cover and stick them in my hair. Now I'm lining my lips with a bit of liquid lipstick that I had from earlier to make my freckles. And now I'll be topping my lips with Black Radiance Brilliant Effect Lip Gloss in Date Night and Milani's Keep It Real Lip Gloss in Moonlight. Okay, now just smudge some purple eyeshadow on the bottom lash line and top it off with lashes. And that's my look inspired by Legends Never Die. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and drop your favorite track off the album. I'd like to know.